Welcome to Exams Daily, and in this video I am going to share you RRB NTPC syllabus and exam pattern. RRB Railway Recruitment Board conducts this NTPC exam non-technical popular categories to recruit candidates for the postings of commercial apprentice, goods guard, traffic apprentice, traffic assistant, assistant station master post. And this RRB NTPC examination pattern is, it consists of stage 1, stage 2 and skill test examination, and if you had passed stage 1 of examination, you are eligible to write stage 2 of examination. And stage 1 of examination is computer based test. You are going to write exams via online. And stage 2 examination is also computer based test, and you are going to write this examination via online. And the skill test is for particular postings. Not everyone is going to write the skill test, and this is for particular postings. I will explain it later. So, and this is RRB NTPC stage 1 exam pattern. So it consists of general awareness, mathematics, general intelligence and reasoning. And general awareness for 40 marks, and mathematics for 30 marks, and general intelligence and reasoning for 30 marks. And totally you are going to write this examination for 100 marks, and total number of questions for this examination is 100 questions, and the duration for this examination is 90 minutes. And I am just going to share you full details about this syllabus, and these are the topics that comes under mathematics. And at first, number system, decimals, fractions, LCM, HCF, ratio and proportions, percentage, mensuration, time and work, time and distance, simple and compound interest, profit and loss, elementary algebra, geometry and trigonometry, and elementary statistics. So for this, you must go through 6 to 10 standard syllabus for preparing mathematics for stage 1 of examination. So on next, general intelligence and reasoning, there are many books available, and or else you can go through net source for this examination. So, and these are the topics that comes under general intelligence and reasoning, which are analogies, completion of number and alphabetical series, coding and decoding, mathematical operations, similarities and differences, relationships, analytical reasoning, syllogism, jumbling, Venn diagrams, puzzle, data sufficiency, statement conclusion, statement course of action, decision making, maps, interpretation of graphs, and etc. So, and we are also providing study materials for this examination. You can go through our Exams Daily official website to get this study materials. And these are the topics that comes under general awareness, and this is for 40 marks, and there is a question consists of 40 questions for general awareness, and these are the topics like current events of national international importance, games and sports, art and culture of India, Indian literature, monuments and places of India, general science and life science up to 10th standard CBSE syllabus. And next, history of India and freedom struggle, physical, social and economic geography of India and world, Indian polity and governance, constitution and political system, general scientific and technological development including space and nuclear program of India, UN and other important world organizations. And particularly you must read which are the countries India is in tie-up with that countries. You must go through that countries very importantly. And next, environmental issues concerning India and world at large, basics of computers and computer applications. So in this you want to study generation of computers like microcomputer, mini, and up to artificial intelligence you want to study that. And for computer applications you want to go through Excel sheet, basics of Excel, Word and PowerPoint presentation, and these are the basics about computer. And next, common abbreviations. If you go through current affairs daily, you can study these abbreviations easily. And transport system in India, Indian economy, famous personalities of India and world, flagship government programs, flora and fauna of India, important government and public sector organizations of in India. And these are the topics that comes under general awareness, and this is for stage 1 of examination. And next, this is stage 2 of examination pattern. So if you had selected for stage 1 of examination, you had reached the minimum qualification mark, you are eligible to write stage 2 of computer based test. So, and these are the syllabus for computer based test stage 2, and that is it is similar to stage 1 of examination, but there is some slight changes in this, like level of question is maybe tough. So the first syllabus is general awareness, mathematics and general intelligence and reasoning. So general awareness is for 50 marks and mathematics is for 35 marks, and general intelligence and reasoning is for 35 marks, and total number of marks for this question for this examination is 120 marks, and total number of questions is 120 question, and time duration is 90 minutes. And there is only slight changes, but number of questions increased in stage 2 examination, but duration is same for this examination. So you must practice very well for this examination, and you must prepare previous year question papers and solve previous year question papers day by day increasingly, so that may be useful for you to crack this examination easily. So, and these are the topics that comes under mathematics, like number system, decimals, fractions, LCM, HCF, ratio and proportions, a percentage, mensuration, time and work, time and distance, simple and compound interest, profit and loss, elementary algebra, geometry and trigonometry, and elementary statistics. And this is same as stage 1 of examination mathematics syllabus, but the level of question varies. So maybe it may be tough in this stage 2 of examination. If stage 1 examination consists of questions in basics, stage 2 consists of next level of questions. So maybe the question pattern varies. So on next, general intelligence and reasoning, and these are the topics that comes under general intelligence and reasoning, like analogies, completion of number and alphabetic series, coding, decoding, mathematical operations, similarities and differences, relationships, analytical reasoning, syllogism, jumbling, Venn diagrams, puzzle, data sufficiency, statement conclusion, statement course of action, decision making, maps, interpretation of graphs, and these are the topics. And next, general awareness, and this consists of 50 marks based examination. So for this, current events and national international importance, games and sports, art and culture of India, Indian literature, monuments and places of India, general science and life science, history of India, and physical, social and economic geography of India and world, Indian polity and governance, constitution and political system, general scientific and technological developments including space and nuclear program of India. And next, UN and other important organizations, environmental issues, basics of computers, common abbreviations, transport systems in India, Indian economy, famous personalities of India and world. And these are the syllabus for RRB NTPC examination. So it consists of stage 1 and stage 2 of computer based examination, and at last you want to write and those who are applying for the post for typist, you are going to write skill test under typing. And if you are applying for tax assistance and goods guard, station master, you want to write an aptitude test, aptitude skill test. And these are the exam pattern for RRB NTPC, and I think so it might be useful for your examinations. And do follow our channel for more and more videos, and thanks for watching.